The plant of today, Ozonitsa. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, and it's a bit embarrassing because I'm showing you a plant that has a total of 7 leaves and 1 flower. Whoops, it took it. And 1 flower, but it's in bloom, so I might as well show it. Very, very small. Of course, it will be bigger. It's a Russian, so I would suspect it will be around 14 inches or more. And so we have a nice variegation on it. Light green, well, medium to light green. There's patches in there. There's all sorts of colors going on. Green tints in there. And we have a beautiful, full, double, frilly, very, very light pink flower. And it's huge. We have a 2.5 incher again. Look at that. Look at that. 1 finger. Very, very nice. I haven't seen this one full grown. It's not one that I've had for a very, very long time. But I can just imagine like 10 flowers like this at the same time, and you can't see the plant anymore. If you have the official description for this one, please add it below, because I don't have them for all the Russians. I didn't do my homework. So there you go. Ozonitsa, the little plant of the day. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good one. Bye.